Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available screen off gestures on OPPO Reno10 Pro. To do this, we'll need to launch our settings, then scroll all the way down and find additional settings. Enter gestures and motions, then go for the screen off gestures, activate them, and here we can see all of them. First one being double tap to turn on or off your screen, then there's draw O to open a camera, draw V to turn on or off flashlight, and a music control. I'm gonna cover all of these options while the phone is locked, so let's do that. Double tap to wake up your phone, double tap again to lock it. Then we have the O to open a camera, so draw O onto the lock screen and it instantly opens the camera. We also have the flashlight, so we can draw V to turn it on and draw V again to turn it off. Last option there was a music control, and now you can draw pause to play or resume any music, draw arrow to your right to play next track, and draw arrow to the left to play previous track. Now let's move to the quick gestures. Here in the more you have 3 of them, and the first one is draw arrow up to basically pick the feature for it, so we can unlock our phone with it, make a call to a specific person with it, and also open any app that we have installed. And in this case, let's go for the weather and lock our device, draw up, arrow up, and unlock your phone. And it should instantly launch this app, and all of the rest of these options work basically the same way. You just need to change the function for it, and you draw a different gesture. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.